as the question says, calculate the energy that can be obtained from 1 kg of water through the fusion reaction H12 plus H12 turns H13 plus P. Assume that 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2% of natural water is heavy water D2O by number of molecules, and all the deuterium is used for fusion. So now we have the portion of deuterium, that is the fraction actually is 1.5 upon 100 into 100. Now you can see this much fraction by molecules is just D2O. So we can take the average mass to be approximately 18 of this all water, because remaining is water H2O, which has the mass of 18, while D2O has the mass of 20. Since the fraction of D2O is negligible, we can have the average mass to be 18. So let us have the total moles of water, which will be 1000 grams, because 1 kg of water is there, upon 18, giving us the total moles of water, into Avogadro number, that is 6 into 10 to the power 23, giving us the total number of molecules of water into the fraction F, that is 1.5 upon 100 into 100, giving us the number of D2O molecules that are there into 4.05 mega electron volt. Now this is the energy released per this equation. So if we have the total number of molecules, that is total number of reactions taking place, into energy associated with per reaction, then we can have this as the total amount of energy. So this is actually the total energy in mega electron volts. So we get it as 6 into 1.5 into 4.05 upon 18. So this is 6 into 1.5 into 4.05 by 18 into 10 to the power 23 over 10. Now this was in mega electron volt. Let us convert it into mega joules. So multiplying it by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 will give us the answer in mega joules, giving us an answer of 0.324 into 10 to the power 4 megajoules. That is approximately 3200 megajoules. Why I'm saying this to be approximately 3200? Because this is coming out to be 3240, and that can be because we took the approximation of 6.023 as 6 here by the Avogadro number. Moreover, there was a very slight approximation over 18 as the mass. So that whole sums up to that 40 megajoules that are coming extra.